In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently stop Alexa app notifications. If you are getting a lot of notifications from Alexa app and you wish to put a permanent end to this, then the best thing to do is to disable them. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now to do this, you need to go to your Amazon Alexa app and long press on it to access its app info page. If you don't see app info, you should see a settings gear here or the name of the app. Just tap on it to access Amazon Alexa app info page. Alternatively, you can also access the same by going to settings, and from settings go to apps. Under apps, look for manage apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. Locate for Alexa, or you can just search your app here by name, and if you tap on it, now you'll be taken to the app info page. Here, go to permissions section, and you want to look for notifications under permissions. If you tap on it, now you can see we have all these notifications turned on. To disable all of them, just toggle off show notifications option, and all the other notifications will be disabled. So that's how you can permanently disable Alexa app notifications. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.